Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered why some people always have money while others struggle even with a good income? What if the secret is not how much money you earn, but how well you manage it? Stay with me until the end because today you will learn simple money management tips that can completely change your financial future. Chapter 1. What is money management and why is it important? Money management is the skill of using your money wisely by planning how to earn, save, spend, and invest it. Many people believe that earning more money automatically leads to a better life. But the truth is that without good money, habits, even a high income, can disappear quickly. Imagine two friends who earn the same salary every month. One spends money carefully, saves regularly, and plans for the future. The other buys unnecessary things, spends without thinking, and never saves. After a few years, their financial lives become completely different. The difference is not their income, it is how they manage their money. Remember this powerful truth. It is not how much you earn, it is how well you manage what you earn. Learning money management is the first step toward financial freedom, confidence, and a secure future. Chapter 2. The habit of saving and smart spending. Saving money is one of the most valuable habits anyone can develop. You do not need to save a large amount at once. Even saving a small part of your income every month can make a big difference over time. Before buying something, ask yourself whether it is a need or simply a want. Food, education, and healthcare are needs, while expensive gadgets or unnecessary shopping are often wants. Smart people think carefully before spending and avoid buying things on impulse. Remember this powerful truth. Small savings today create big opportunities tomorrow. Every coin you save today can help you handle emergencies, achieve your goals, and build a stronger financial future. Chapter 3. How to create a simple budget. A budget is a simple plan that helps you control your money instead of letting your money control you. Start by writing down how much money you earn each month and then list all your expenses. This simple habit helps you understand where your money goes and shows areas where you can save more. Divide your income into different parts, such as daily needs, savings, and personal spending. Following a budget reduces stress because you always know how much you can spend. Remember this powerful truth. A budget tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. A simple budget can improve your financial life more than you might imagine. Chapter 4. Building a strong financial future. Building a strong financial future takes time, patience, and good daily habits. Set clear financial goals, avoid unnecessary debt, continue learning about money, and make wise decisions every day. Becoming financially successful is not about getting rich quickly, it is about making smart choices consistently over many years. Every good financial habit you build today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Remember this powerful truth. Financial freedom begins with small daily decisions. No matter your current income, you can improve your financial future by staying disciplined, saving regularly, and making thoughtful decisions. Every small step you take today can create a brighter and more secure tomorrow. Chapter 5. Investing in yourself is the best investment. Many people think that the best investment is buying expensive things or making quick profits. But the greatest investment you can ever make is investing in yourself. When you learn new skills, improve your knowledge, and develop good habits, you increase your ability to earn more and make better financial decisions. Reading books, learning English, taking online courses, and improving your communication skills can open doors to better jobs and greater opportunities. These investments may not give immediate results, but they create lifelong benefits. Successful people understand that knowledge is an asset that no one can take away. Remember this powerful truth. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Money can come and go, but your skills, education, and experience stay with you forever. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving because the best return on investment always begins with yourself. Chapter 6: Avoid Common Money Mistakes. One of the easiest ways to improve your financial life is to avoid the common money mistakes that many people make. Some people spend more than they earn, while others buy things just to impress others. Many people also ignore saving because they think they will start later. Unfortunately, these habits can lead to financial stress and debt. Instead, learn to spend within your budget, compare prices before buying, and think carefully before making expensive purchases. Do not let emotions control your spending. Always ask yourself, do I really need this? Before taking out your wallet. Remember this powerful truth: every smart financial decision today protects your future tomorrow. The sooner you avoid bad money habits, the sooner you can build financial security, achieve your goals, and enjoy a life with less stress and greater peace of mind. Wise money management is not about having more money, it is about making better decisions with the money you already have. Chapter 7: The Power of Patience and Consistency. Many people want to become financially successful very quickly. They look for shortcuts, easy money, or instant results. But real wealth is usually built slowly through patience, discipline, and consistency. Imagine planting a small seed in the ground. It does not become a strong tree overnight. It needs water, sunlight, and time to grow. Money works in the same way. When you save regularly, spend wisely, and make good financial decisions every day, your wealth grows little by little. Some days the progress may seem slow, but every small step is bringing you closer to financial freedom. Remember this powerful truth: small actions repeated consistently create extraordinary results. Do not become discouraged if you do not see immediate success. Stay focused on your goals, trust the process, and continue building good financial habits. Patience is one of the greatest secrets of long term financial success. Chapter 8: Developing a Wealthy Mindset. Your financial future is influenced not only by how much money you earn, but also by the way you think about money. People with a wealthy mindset see money as a tool that can help them achieve their goals, support their families, and create new opportunities. They avoid wasting money on unnecessary things and focus on making thoughtful decisions. Instead of saying, I will never have enough money, they ask themselves, how can I improve my skills and increase my income? They continue learning, solving problems, and looking for opportunities to grow. Remember this powerful truth: a wealthy life begins with a wealthy mindset. When you develop positive financial habits, believe in your ability to improve, and make smart choices every day, you create a strong foundation for lasting financial success. Great wealth always begins with great thinking, followed by consistent action. Chapter 9: The Importance of Financial Goals. Every successful journey begins with a clear destination, and money management is no different. If you do not have financial goals, it becomes easy to spend money without thinking about the future. Setting financial goals gives your money a purpose and helps you stay focused. Your goals can be small, such as saving for a new phone, buying books, or creating an emergency fund. They can also be big, like buying a house, starting a business, or enjoying a comfortable retirement. Write your goals down and divide them into short term and long term goals. Then create a simple plan to achieve them step by step. Even if your progress is slow, do not stop. Every small amount you save brings you closer to your dream. Remember this powerful truth: money without a goal is often money wasted. When your financial decisions match your goals, you spend more wisely, save more confidently, and stay motivated to keep improving. A clear goal gives direction to your money and turns your dreams into achievable plans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. What is one money habit you will start today? I read every comment and would love to hear your ideas. Keep learning, keep saving, and keep building a brighter financial future. I will see you in the next video.